Hi, good afternoon. This is Jeff from Taylor & Son Chevrolet in beautiful Ponderay, Idaho. And what I have here, I'm going to do a walk around on this 2020 Yukon XL. It's got a 5.3 liter V8 engine and real nice vehicle. I'll start here at the driver's side rear quarter panel. Everything looks nice and clean. There appears to be a little bit of a scuff, scratch right here on the bumper. Moving in, no pits or scratches on the window or the paint moving forward. Wheel shows no scarring. Tires look about 70–80%. Door looks nice and clean. No chips, scratches. Running board looks clean. No dents. Appears to be a little scuff mark right here in the middle of the door. Very small and minor. Mirror's clean, door is clean. Moving up the front fender. Nice and clean. Looks like a little scuff mark right here. About a ½ an inch long, but minor. Wheels are clean and no scarring. Windshield looks good. I don't see any chips. Moving now to the hood and the front of the vehicle. I don't see any rock chips, any scuff marks. Everything looks clean across the bumper. Chrome looks good in the front grille. Moving across the hood. Things look nice and clean. Windshield looks good. Now moving to the passenger side, right front fender. All looks nice and clean. A little bit of water spots there, we just washed it. Wheel, nice and clean, no scarring. Moving to the front passenger door. Nice and clean, mirror is clean. Window looks good. This is a nice Yukon. Moving to the rear passenger door. Nice and clean. Running board looks good. Front wheel well, everything looks nice and clean. Moving to the right rear quarter panel. Thing looks nice and clean. No scratches, scuff marks. Looking at the wheel well, all nice and clean, and it is a 2020. No scarring on the right rear wheel. Everything looks clean there. Moving to the rear, looking at the lift gate, the right rear tail light, windows, down the left side, and across the rear. Nice and clean. Now we'll move into the interior, going to the driver's side. Doors, no scratches. The leather all looks nice and clean. Dash, it's all nice and clean. Moving across. Interior, seats. Console looks clean, no scratches. Steering wheel, leather wrapped, no scratches. The seat looks in good condition, nice and clean. Nice. Moving to the driver's side, rear. Door is nice and clean, no scratches, no scuff marks on the leather. Looks good. This is equipped with a DVD player. Headliner looks nice and clean. DVD in back. Seats are nice and clean, in good condition. Passenger side door, nice and clean. The rear seats look like they've hardly been used. All nice and clean. Moving to the back. Power lift gate. Very nice, clean, no scratches. Looks like there's a little bit of scuff mark here in the, moving up into the headliner on the doorpost only. Same on this side, a little bit right here. A little bit of a scuff mark on the plastic on the left side. But overall, nice and clean. Moving to the passenger side interior door, rear door. Seats, nice and clean, good condition, same as the driver's side. And rear passenger side door, nice and clean. Passenger side door and seat. No blemishes. Console looks good, no scratches. The dash, nice and clean. No scratches. The same with the seat. Headliner,